Attention on Muladhara. Shrimataji, please come in the form of Shri Nirmal Ganesha in our Muladhara Chakra. Mother, please establish discretion, power, innocence, chastity, auspiciousness, humility, talents, and wisdom of Shri Ganesha in our Muladhara Chakra. Shrimataji, Shri Ganesha recognized his mother, Sakshat Adishakti. His devotion, dedication, surrendering, and Ananya Bhav, not worshipping any other else. Please establish within us Shrimataji, please awaken and enlighten Shri Ganesha principle within us. Shri Nirmal Ganesha Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namah. Left hand on lap, right hand towards Mother Earth. We will recite Shri Ganesha Tharva Shirsha.
श्री गणेश ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारपरतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारपूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेऽस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Right hand on lap, left hand towards Mother Earth. Shri Mataji, verily you are Shri Kartikeya. Please cool down our right Muladhara. Mother, please absorb all the excessive heat in our right Muladhara, in the Mother Earth. Shri Mataji, please take away all the negative thoughts, all the demonic thoughts, and all the animal instinct within us through your earth element. Mother, please clean and clear our right Muladhara. श्री कार्तिकेय साक्षात् ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कार्तिकेय साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। राक्षसंत्री साक्षात् ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् राक्षसहंत्री साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Both the hands on lap, attention on Sahasrara. Right hand on left heart. We will pray morning prayer. Pratah namami हृदि संस्फुरात्मतत्त्वं सच्चित् सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुरीयम् यत् स्वप्नजागर सुषुप्त भवेति नित्यम् तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलम् अहम् न च भूतसंघा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Right hand to Shri Mataji, left hand on right Swadhisthana. Shri Mataji, please make us thoughtless. Shri Mataji, please cool down our right Swadhisthana. Shri Chitta Devata Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat. Shri Chitta Devata Sakshat. Shri Adi Shakti Mataji. Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Shri Hazrat Ali Fatima Bi Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat. Shri Hazrat Ali Fatima Bi Sakshat. Shri Adi Shakti Mataji. Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Sarvatapaharini Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat. Sarvatapaharini Sakshat. Shri Adi Shakti Mataji. Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Shri Himalaya Chandrama Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat. Shri Himalaya Chandrama Sakshat. Shri Adi Shakti Mataji. Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Both the hands towards Shri Mataji. Right hand on Nabhi, center Nabhi. Shri Mataji, please make us satisfied person. Give us inner peace, satisfaction and generosity of Shri Lakshmi. You are Sakshat Shri Vishnu. You are our sustainer. Here we surrender all our family worries at your divine lotus feet. Mother, please bless us. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्येत्यभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधा रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Right hand on center heart. Shri Mataji, please present in the form of Shri Jagadamba, in the form of Shri Durga, with all your weapons in our center heart. Verily you have our protection. Shri Mataji, please protect us. Oh Mother, please take away all the insecurity within us, all the fear within us. Mother, please make us fearless and confident person. Increase our confidence. Mother, please make us strong. Jai Jagadamba 12 times. Jai Jagadambe 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 Jagadambe. Jai Jagadambe 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 Jagadambe. Jai Jagadambe 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 Jagadambe. साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। Right hand on throat, center Vishuddhi. Shri Mataji, please come in the form of Shri Radha Krishna in our Vishuddhi chakra. Shri Mataji, please make us collective. Establish us in global collectivity. Oh Mother, verily you are Shri Virata, Please make us part and parcel of the whole. Shimataji, by your grace, we are the pure spirit, so we are not guilty at all. Take away all the guilty feeling within us, and please give us witness it. Shimataji, please take away all the reactions within us. Mother, please bless us with the melody of your tongue. Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat. Om Twamev Sakshat. Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat. Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Right hand on Agya. Shrimata Ji, we forgive everyone. Please give us the forgiving power of Shri Jesus. We forgive. We forgive. We forgive. We forgive everyone, including ourselves. Om Ksham 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 3 times. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. Om Ksham Ksham Ksham. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Right hand on back Agya. Shrimata Ji, knowingly or unknowingly, if any mistake committed by us, Mother, please forgive us. Oh Mother, knowingly or unknowingly, if any mistake committed by our family members, if any mistake committed by our ancestors, against the spirit, here we ask to forgive them. Mother, please forgive them and forgive us too. Om Hum 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 3 times. Om Hum Hum Hum. Om Hum Hum Hum. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Both the hands on lap. We will concentrate our attention on Sastrara. Shrimati, Please establish the joy of our self-realization in our Sahasrara. Here we surrender our ego at your divine lotus feet. Mother, please make us humble. Here we surrender all our past and all our future at your divine lotus feet. Mother, please establish us in present and make us thoughtless. Oh, Mother, we have to become one with you only. Please join our Kundalini with all pervading power. Shri Mahat Ahankara Sakshat Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahat Ahankara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirvicharta Sakshat. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirvichara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. We will concentrate our attention on Sahasrara. And listen Shri Mataji's talk through our Sahasrara.
When you start sharing your things, then it is a proper thing. Now the essence of puja is also how to overcome our material grossness. Puja is nothing but is how to overcome our material grossness. When we want to have a matter to ourselves, we must know that it is given to us by God. Everything belongs. Supposing we give flower to God, after all it is God's own creation. What are we giving? We show light to God or do arti to God. What? It is all God's light only. What do we do? But by showing light to God, what we do is to be worship light within us. The light element gets enlightened within us. The light element is here on the Agya. When you do arti or when you put light before God, when you show light to God, the light element within you gets enlightened. When you give flowers, Muladhara gets enlightened. When you get honey, then your attention gets enlightened. So why we give it to God? After all, God doesn't need anything. But God is the enjoyer. You are not the enjoyer. You cannot enjoy. Enjoyer is God. In you, when God is there, that enjoys, that is the spirit. So whatever pleases your spirit is used in the puja to be given. Now you give rice. All these things are discovered. That you give rice to the Devi. Rice should be put in her lap. Now what is rice? A little rice to a Devi. Is by putting rice in you the satisfaction of getting food, or food that gives you satisfaction is enlightened. But that doesn't mean you start showering things on me. That doesn't mean that. What I'm trying to say, do it with dignity and understanding. That you give me rice. Now, rice giving is people don't understand why rice is to be given. To God. After all, why give him palm leaves? What is he going to do? If he Christ was the Son of God, what was the use of putting palm leaves for him? Or to give him oil bath, or to rub his feet with oil. It is for you to get the advantage. Now in Sahaja Yoga it is proved now. When you rub my feet, you feel better, not me. You rub my hands, you feel better. When you fall at my feet, you feel better. She is a great... What were you doing? Reflexology. Big name, Reflexology. And she's supposed to know about the feet and things like that. One day she said, Mother, I want to come and massage your feet. I know this and all that. So I said, all right, come along. So she came to rub my feet. Instead of I becoming relaxed, she was becoming relaxed. The more she was rubbing, she was getting relaxed. So, you see, when you do for God, the blessings comes to you. You are blessed. Whatever is a problem with you, you give to God to solve. Also, whatever satisfies you, you give to God. The satisfaction comes to you. Now these flowers, when you give it to me, Mooladhara, they give you two things, Swadhisthana and Mooladhara. Flowers, that's why very important. They give Swadhisthana. If the flowers are beautiful, then they give Swadhisthana. And if they are fragrant, they cure your Mooladhara. Now, I mean, there's no end to flowers also. But think about it, that you are doing it to improve your chakras. Then other things that are used, like say ghee. Ghee is used. It is for Sri Krishna is very fond of ghee and butter. So when you rub my feet with say butter, your Vishuddhi will improve. You know that. Not mine. I have no problem. I have only one problem, that you are within me, and when you have problem, I have problems. Because these vibrations have to go to you. So I prepare vibrations here as an antidote, and they have to flow. It's a very subtle thing to understand. To move from gross to spirit, this is the thing by which you move. Because first you enlighten your chakras. By enlightening your chakras, your deities get happy, prasanna. By making the deities happy, you get a passage for the Kundalini to pass through. By making the passage for the Kundalini goes up. And then your attention starts becoming one with the spirit. It is step by step. You move from matter to subtler matter, from subtler matter to your chakras, from chakras to deities, from deities to the spirit. Then spirit enjoys itself. So there you do not have to do anything. Just give your spirit to spirit.
We will meditate for a few minutes. Thank you, Shimataji, for your divine blessings. We will go down to Shimataji and take collective bandhan. Jai Shimataji.
Anything that